Hello friends, how are you doing today? My name is Sangeeta Dasgupta and I am a Angel Certified Practitioner from Charles Virtue and Doreen Virtue. I am also a life coach from International Coach Federation, and the motto of my life is to create a revolution, to build a series of events wherein life is just very beautiful, life is joyful, and angels bring that joy. Yes, friends, angels. I am sure you must be thinking, who are these angels? Angels are our friends, philosophers, and guides. Every person who is born on this earth has angels with them. Yes. So you have at any given moment of time two guardian angels who bring you on the path of your life. And additionally, God has also given you many angels who will work with you both spiritually, mentally, and physically. We just need to call them. We have to set an intention to call them and give an affirmation. Now, what is an affirmation? An affirmation is any positive statement which you just say, as in, angels, please help me, or please help me to grow spiritually and emotionally. Please show me the right path of my life. So, yes, friends, angel therapy is basically a non-denominational science, which basically is an alternative healing process wherein we connect with angels to work with any area of our life. It can be finances, it can be health, it can be career, your job, or very important relationships. Yes, friends. Therefore, we need to build upon ourselves with just surrendering to the angels. And therefore, the first and foremost is to build your trust. Build your trust and just let go. Let go everything you are holding on to. And when you surrender to the world of angels, miracles just unfold. Unfold in the sense of bringing love into your life, bringing abundance of wealth into your life, healthy relationships in your life, and yes, a good sense of mind, body, and spirit. So, friends, let's understand this angel therapy realm much more in detail. As I said, angels are beings which fill your life with peace, and peace is what mankind is looking for these days. And when I talk about peace, peace means that you are very well settled in your life in terms of your family, in terms of your health, in terms of your relationships, and therefore angels are beings which are there with you. We only need to build upon our intuition, the ability to feel them, the ability to see them in every areas of our life, the ability to listen to them, and the ability to know them. And yes, angel therapy therefore brings us this jargon, I should say, of clairs. Hence, I will talk about clairs in a separate video, but then let's understand what are clairs. Clairs are our senses. Simply, in simple words, they are our senses. So, we build upon our senses of seeing angelic love in every part, every moment of our life. Don't you think our mothers are angels? Don't you think our children are angels? Don't you think our husbands, our wife, that means our spouses, are those angels who are loving you unconditionally? Yes, they are. So don't you see angels in your friends who help you in day-to-day lives? Don't you see angels in your colleagues who are there in your office life? It's changing your perspective to love. So you see angels. You may also see angels into the world of synchronicity, which means that you are seeing the word Gabriel, you are seeing the word Michael, you are seeing the word many times a day. One single thing happening to you again and again. You are just thinking about something and that is just materializing, happening with you. How is this happening? Nothing happens by chance, my friend. Everything is determined by destiny. Then you hear, don't you hear words of love from your mother? The chirping of the birds as I just hear it now. The word Om, when you just go deep within. Yes, this is how you build upon the sense of your hearing. Then don't you just know that this place is right for me? This person is right for me. It's a sense of knowing, which we call as claircognizance. And yes, people who are sensing, people who are kinesthetic, who are feeling things, they feel often that things are going on to be fine with me. This person is good to go. You sweat, you feel warm, you feel cool, and therefore you know that you're in the right place or you're in the wrong place. This is how you build upon your intuition to connect with the angels. Once you start talking to the angels, they just start responding back to you so beautifully. They start connecting with you and you start connecting with them more deeply. So you may just ask for a parking space when you go out for a movie. You ask for a movie ticket when the cinema hall is all booked. Yes, friends. You just pray sincerely that you've given an exam and you want to excel in that exam. You just pray for you to get a gift from your loved ones. You just pray to get that right job, that career opportunity which you are looking for. You just connect with your soulmate more deeply. You just call upon to them when you want to go from one place to the another in a stipulated time, friends. Yes, when you connect with angels, it's not only your physical health, but it's joy, joy, joy everywhere. Yes, so let's understand what are angels. Angels are born when God thinks of peace. Therefore, God thinks about peace at all times, and there are millions and millions and millions of angels. You have 2 guardian angels to put you on your life purpose when you are born. Therefore, angels are just around you. You just need to build on that ability to trust, let go, and connect with them. Angels are androgynous. That means they do not have a male or a female body. They are energies. If you just think of Gabriel, you might think of a beautiful woman, a mother angel who's connecting you, who's showering your love on you. Or you can think of Gabriel as the strong, built man who's there to take away all your pains in life. You can call upon Zadkiel, who just transmutes all the negative energy into positive. You may think Zadkiel as a strong woman, or you can think of that gentle fatherly figure. So they are androgynous, they are just energies. We perceive angels with wings because of the huge auras which are around them. And therefore they have been painted in the cathedrals that way, in the stained glass paintings of the ancient medieval history that way. However, it is just their auras. We will also come to know about ascended masters when we connect deeply with this world of angel therapy. And I will talk about Ascended Masters also in a separate video. However, we will also let ourselves connect very deeply with them by knowing about them, about their signs, by knowing more about numbers, by knowing more about how to do an angel card reading, how to conduct an angel healing session. However, I want all of you to just open your hearts, fill it with love, and bring angelic love into your life. Thank you.